How can a healthcare company in Indonesia preventing the data breach and also the cyber attack by using encryption, authentication, and also the firewall, guys? Okay, welcome everyone to the Rekalogis Research. Today, we will explore a crucial topic that is how we can safeguarding the sensitive patient data in the healthcare industry of Indonesia. As the digital age brings new challenge, healthcare company is now facing an increasing cyber threats and also the data breach. And in this video, we will presenting an approach that utilize encryption, the authentication, and also the firewall technologies to ensure the data security in the healthcare sector. So let's jump into the detail, guys. Okay. First thing first, in our list is if we want to safeguarding the patient data, of course we need encryption. Encryption is a critical aspect of data security. Encryption rendering the sensitive health data so it could be unreadable to the unauthorized individual or the malicious actors. To achieve this, we use a robust encryption algorithms we can use such as an AES or RSA and combine it with the encryption key. Let's see some of the Python code that could demonstrate how this encryption works, okay? In this Python code, okay, as you can see, we are importing the necessary cryptography library and defining a secret key to encrypt and decrypting the data. The hello world, let's say we want to protect the hello world message here, okay? We can use the Fernet encryption algorithm and we encrypt the data and obtaining the encrypted output. This encrypted data will ensuring confidentiality even if it falls into the wrong hands. Okay, so this is the first step that we need to consider the encryption. And the next is what? After the encryption, we are considering and we are exploring the authentication. It is also a crucial defense against the unauthorized access attempts. Authentication, verifying the identify of the user, the ID or the device that requesting access to the sensitive data or the system. Okay, let's take our Python code implementation example using the HTTP basic authentication. Okay, so as you can see the code, in this Python code snippet, we are demonstrating how HTTP basic authentication works. A user is prompted to enter their username and the password. The script then is sending this information to a server, which is represented by the example.com. Okay, and if the authentication successful, which are we getting the HTTP status code of 200, the user will gain the access. Otherwise, the connection is denied, and it will give us a message that it is protecting the system from the potential threats, right? The next thing is that we can also implementing the firewall. Our third line of defense is firewall. It is playing a crucial role in monitoring and controlling the network traffic. By establishing a predefined rules, the firewall can prevent unauthorized or malicious connection from reaching a sensitive data or the system. Okay, let's see the example of the code. In this Python example, we are simulating a simple firewall that allow connection from the specific IP address, which is the local host, and also the other local host that is 192, and yeah, you know this in the local network, okay? And we are denying the all others except this IP. The script binding a firewall to the port and waiting for the incoming connection, and then it can check if the client's IP address is already allowed. If it is allowed, the encrypted data that we had protected earlier is sent over to the network. Otherwise, the connection is denied. After that, we are already know about the encryption, the authentication, and the firewall. Now we are doing the integration as a complementary action that tying all of that together. Now, okay, it is crucial to understand the integration so we can combine the power and also the advantage of those functions together. Okay, when we integrating this technology will create a multi-layered defense mechanism, so the system will be more resilient to the potential threats. Okay, and what can we conclude by doing this? In conclusion, by implementing the encryption, the authentication, the firewalls, okay, we hope that healthcare companies in Indonesia can learn about this and also confidently protect sensitive patient data that they already stored. However, it is essential to supplement these technological measures with the regular staff training on the field regarding about the cybersecurity best practice and also how to conducting the risk assessment together with the effort in the system or the code and the effort on the field. We can create a more secure ecosystem for the healthcare industry in this digital era, especially in Indonesia. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for joining our discussion and see you on the next video.